Hello and welcome to our first series of videos on our writing process. In level 4 we are going to learn how to write a review. So let's start with the basics. What's a review? A review is an informative test. It contains our opinion about something. So we write reviews to inform people about a topic that we know well. For that reason, we are able to provide not just positive but also negative opinions about the topic. For example, we can review a service, a place, the product. We can review basically anything if we have both types of opinions on that. Something to keep in mind is that a review is not a story. You don't want to narrate your experience. The main objective is to give information on positive and negative aspects of a topic based on your experience or information you have consulted. But you don't want to narrate your experience. Let's see an example. Have you ever used Canva to design any educational project? Have you ever used Canva to design your digital CV? Well, I have, and for that reason, today I'm ready to present a review on Canva. One of the best websites to create a digital CV is Canva. It is a fantastic design tool to make social media visuals, presentations, posters, and CVs because it's free and simple to use. One thing I really like about Canva is that it has a great variety of templates. You can select from various categories like modern, minimalist, and corporate styles. The best thing is that you only need to copy your text into the template to get started. Also, you can upload your own images and change the colors and fonts to give your CV your own personal touch. It's like the perfect tool for design lovers. However, one big disadvantage of Canva is that its templates usually leave important information out. This happens because Canva's CVs only have one page, which is not enough space to present all your information about experience and education. In general, I think Canva is a useful site to create your CV when you are good at summarizing, but not for those people that like to show specific details or long lists of experience. Now that you have seen the examples, let's analyze its elements. The first thing that you can see is that there are 4 defined paragraphs in a review. Every paragraph has a purpose, and it's easy to know them just by reading each paragraph carefully. So, at this moment, I invite you to do it. Read the whole text and try to identify the purpose of each paragraph. To do this, we are going to go to our ticketing. Let's stop this video and work on activity number 1. When you are ready, come back for more information. Good. Now you have an idea of what the elements of a review are. Do not worry about correct or incorrect answers. You will have the chance to check them with your teacher and partners. So let's continue. As we just discussed, when writing a review, we give positive and negative opinions on a topic. There are useful expressions that can be of help to present those opinions. For example, one of the best websites to create a digital CV is Canva. That expression, one of the best websites, helps me to present a positive opinion. Another example is in paragraph number 3. However, one big disadvantage of Canva is that, the expression, one big disadvantage, helps me telling my reader that I'm going to present a negative opinion on the topic. In our review, we also summarize our opinion by giving a general recommendation. In paragraph 4, I used the expression in general to introduce that conclusion. Of course, these are not the only expressions that I use in my review. So now I invite you to read the text again and find more examples of expressions to give positive and negative opinions and expressions to summarize my opinion. So we are going to do it in our ticketing. Please stop the video, go to your ticketing and do exercise in activity number 2. When you finish, come back for a last piece of information. In English, we have very interesting expressions to provide opinions and summarize information. For example, look at this. This is a pool of expressions that we can use not just to provide positive and negative opinions, but also to summarize information and introduce a description. That is something that we are going to do in paragraph number 1. Please explore these expressions using your dictionary in case you need it. Some of them are easier to understand than others, but as I told you, this is a learning moment. So if you have doubts, don't forget to make some questions or write some questions about it on your document, and you can always ask your teacher and partners in class. So as you might imagine, the last activity in the ticketing is this one, activity number 3. Please go there, complete the activity in your ticketing, and when you finish, file your ticketing in your portfolio so you will be ready to participate in class next week. That's it for today. See you next time.